Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on iPhone. Reduce eye strain. iOS lets you apply a dark theme across the interface and apps in one tap. So you don't need to enable dark mode for each app. Besides, multiple methods exist to put your iPhone in dark mode or disable it. Let's go through. Method 1. From the control center, swipe up from the left corner of your screen. Press and hold the brightness bar. Then, tap dark mode. If you're seeking a much darker screen, adjust the brightness slider to your convenience. This process will darken the user interface and showcase its appealing impact in all compatible apps. Method 2. From the settings. Access settings. Navigate to display and brightness. Then enable the dark mode. Your device will now change its appearance accordingly. If you wish to revert these changes, simply follow the steps again and select light mode. Dark mode significantly reduces eye strain and visual fatigue by minimizing the blue light emitting from your device. It promotes relaxation and better sleep quality, especially when using devices for extended periods in darker environments or at night. The dark interface lends a sleek and stylish appearance to apps and menus, making them visually appealing. And dark mode on OLED screen conserves battery life by illuminating fewer pixels, resulting in extended usage. Enabling dark mode on iPhone and iPad devices provides ergonomic benefits, increases energy efficiency, enhances aesthetics, and promotes inclusivity, improving user experience across various contexts. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.